Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the egg machine in FishEat. In this latest update, there is a brand new Easter event and one of the coolest thing in it is this egg machine that located at the Easter Island. And then just go to this near the dock like this, and you will find this egg machine. And then next just tap on use, and then in here make sure you already have at least 30 pips. You can collect pips by fishing around Easter Island during this event. And once you have 30 pips like this, just go to this egg machine like this, and then just simply tap on exchange like this. And then you will get one Easter egg like this. And after that, the egg won't hatch instantly. You will need to wait 1 hour for it to hatch. And here's the fun part: during that 1 hour, the egg will actually follow you around everywhere you go like this. It's so cute. So just keep playing, fishing, or exploring while waiting. And once the timer is done, your egg will hatch and give you a random Easter rewards. So if you want more cool event items, just start farming those pips now. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.